Welcome students once again in this offline video. Today I will start the next unit from your NCERT book. It is from the second part, first chapter, that is unit 8, having the name that is redox reaction. Okay. Now in redox it is having the combination of two terms, that is reduction plus oxidation. In class 10 you have studied that oxidation and reduction occur simultaneously. Okay, now what is oxidation? We know it is the oxidation, that is addition of oxygen or elimination of hydrogen. Now we can expand this theory that addition of oxygen or any electronegative element and elimination of hydrogen or any electropositive element. Okay, so the addition of oxygen or any electronegative element or elimination of hydrogen or any electropositive element. So this process is called as oxidation. On the reverse way, that is elimination of oxygen or any electronegative element and addition of hydrogen or any electropositive element is called the reduction. Now one simple example, that is carbon when burnt in air. Carbon when burnt in air, it produces CO2. So it is a oxidation reaction according to the previous concept. Another example, that is FeCl2 plus Cl2 forming FeCl3. Here chlorine as an electronegative. So as it is electronegative, just we can replace it by O2. So addition of oxygen, so it is called oxidation. Okay. Another example, you can take 2Ki plus H2O2. 2Ki plus H2O2, then KOH plus I2. 2Ki plus H2O2, KOH plus I2. Now here what happens? Here from Ki, from potassium iodide, the potassium is liberated. Now potassium is of metallic kind, so it is, as it is eliminated from that, so it is also the oxidation. Okay, so Ki to iodine, it is the oxidation. And another one, that is H2O2 to KOH. Here no for hydroxyl, here no electronegative metal is attached with that, so it is the reduction. So a process which involves the addition of hydrogen or any electropositive element and removal of oxygen or electronegative element is called the reduction. So oxidation and reduction. Next we will go how oxidation and reduction take simultaneously. We can explain it by using some examples, that is ZnO plus C, zinc oxide plus C forming Zn plus CO. Here carbon comes with oxygen, but here only carbon is there, so it is oxidized. So which one is oxidized? Carbon to CO. Here oxygen is eliminated, so oxygen elimination is called the reduction. So it is reduction, it is oxidation. Okay, so we can tell that the oxidation and reduction occurs simultaneously by the reaction, that is ZnO plus C, Zn plus CO, by this reaction. Okay, so this is about the concept of oxidation and reduction on oxygen or any electronegative and hydrogen or any electropositive concept. Next concept is on the oxidation state or by electronic concept. Electronic concept. So when a species eliminates electron, that is when a central metal atom producing a cation, then it is releasing electron, so it is called as oxidation. And on the reverse way, when a species abstract electron, it is called of the reduction. So oxidation, that is liberation of electrons, and reduction, that is abstraction of electron. So it is the new concept, oxidation and reduction. So Na to Na plus electron, it is oxidation. Cl plus electron forming Cl minus, it is of reduction. Okay, so when a species releasing electron is oxidation, and when taking electron is called the reduction. Okay, for example, MnO4 minus, MnO4 2 minus, 2 MnO4 minus plus electron. So what happens here? Here electrons is eliminated, so it is a kind of oxidation. So it is the modern concept of, that is the electronic concept of redox reaction. We know what is oxidant, what is reductant, and which one is oxidized and which one is reduced. Holding that you know about this, I will move to the one example, that is Zn plus HCl forming ZnCl2 plus H2. Okay, so here zinc forming Zn2 plus and HCl forming hydrogen. So here chlorine is eliminated, and here, okay, we will take the electronic concept. So here plus 2E, so it is oxidation, and here HCl minus to hydrogen, it is called the reduction. Next one, what is oxidation and reduction half reaction? So as the oxidation and reduction goes simultaneously, then the oxidation half and the reduction half, that means the species which is oxidized and the species which is reduced, will be indicated in the half reaction. For example, in this example, we can say that Zn2 plus and H plus 2 half of hydrogen. It is one species, it is one. It is oxidation, it is reduction. Okay, so this is called oxidation half and reduction half. So oxidation half, that is, we have to mention which one from the ground state to oxidized state, and for reduction from the ground state to oxidized state. So let's try with one example, that H2S plus Cl2 having HCl plus sulfur. H2S plus Cl2 forming HCl plus sulfur, 2HCl plus sulfur. Now what is the change in here? Here H2S, S2 minus 2S only. Okay, here hydrogen was in +1 oxidation state. Here hydrogen is in +1 oxidation state. So no change in oxidation state of hydrogen. Here from chlorine, Cl2 Cl minus is formed. So here 2 minus, it is oxidation and it is reduction. Okay, so we can identify which one is oxidized and which one is reduced by carefully observing the sentences. That is the equation. Okay, so that's all in this class. Next day, in the next class, I will discuss more about the oxidation and reduction. So till then, bye bye everyone, and thank you everyone for watching the videos. Thank you.